Hi, this is Tracy with Renter's Place. I just want to talk to you briefly about what we do on our preventative maintenance program. This is a biannual maintenance program, which means we do it twice a year. It's a 20-point inspection. We're going to come out to your house once in the spring and once in the fall and work through our checklist. While this might seem to be an inconvenience to you as a tenant to make sure that we can access the house, you may have to put your dog away, something like that. It really has a lot of benefits for you. And I want to walk through a couple of those so you can see what they are. One thing we're going to do while we're at the house is we're going to go into the bathrooms and the kitchen. We're going to look under all the sinks. We're going to make sure there's not any water leaks in there that may be causing damage to the house or creating a mold issue for you. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to walk through, we're going to check all the smoke alarms and the carbon monoxide detectors. We're going to make sure that those are working and in good working order for you. So the last thing and really the biggest thing that I think we do is we're going to service the furnace in the fall, and we're going to service the air conditioner in the spring. And both times that we do that, we're going to change the filter. Now, it's recommended that you change the filter every month. We know that sometimes you forget about doing that. I know even I forget about doing that, but here's the difference. I want you to look at a clean filter here versus a dirty filter here. And you may not think that that's a very big deal, but what it does is it costs you more money to run your utilities if you're running through a dirty filter, because your system has to work harder to suck that air through. So we want to make sure that in the coming summer months, you've got good airflow with cool air flowing into your house. And then in the winter months, you've got nice warm air flowing with no carbon monoxide. So again, this is our biannual maintenance inspection. We're going to be doing it twice a year. It's a 20-point check. Our tech will be in and out of the house in less than 30 minutes, and we appreciate your help with this.